18, and I'm going to do the morning trades, and this is Biocon, right? And it closed yesterday at 608. Today it opened at 605, and I'm going to buy it, right? With the open, I'm going to buy it, and I'm going to put the box order, and my quantity will be, I'm going to buy 200 quantities, and stop loss will be 10 points, target will be 50 points, and trailing stop loss will be 2 points. And what is the current market price right now? 611, right? So at this point only I would like to buy it, right? I'm going to make it 610 if I can get it at this point. 609, maybe if I could get it 609, nothing like it. So I'm going to buy it at 609. I've placed the order. Let's see if I get it. So hopefully I should be able to get it. 609 is what my buy price. And let's see how it goes after that. So even if I get, few rupees on it, 3 rupees, 4 rupees, I will exit my trade. So right now I'm hoping to get it at, let's see, I hope I should get it. 609, I should be able to get it. All right. So this is my morning trade in Biocon. So it opened gap down, so I'm buying it, right? That's the rule we will be following. So I think it's not coming down, so I'm going to modify a little bit. 6090 609.5, and I'll go for buy. Hopefully now it should come. Yeah, so I've got it. I have got 200 shares, right? Now this is autopilot mode. I'm not going to come back and see here what's happening here. Now I go to this, this is tradingview.com, and I'm going to do morning trade. Now see here, this what I have done here in the morning, I mean just at 9:15 I arranged it, and I saw Glenmark over here, right at the 4th position. RSI is just heading up, and green line is heading up, although ADX is down. But I do plan to buy it the moment it crosses its morning range. Okay, let's see if I have an entry in some other stock. If I could get entry in, I mean KSCL was on my radar. Let's see if I could get an entry here in KSCL. So as of now, this Biocon is doing pretty good, right? You can see it's doing pretty fine. So let's see. I mean, why it's not coming? So here is KSCL. Okay, let it just. I'm gonna put my template, which is this. Okay, and this is 1 day. I'm gonna make it 15 minutes. I need 15 minutes. So here, see, this is KS just style. Just style is also looking very good. Like choppiness is heading down. This RSI is heading up, and I'll wait for the first candle to break. Like if I put it here, high of this candle is 583. Okay, so 583, or I would prefer to, I will wait for it to break the previous day range also, 580. If it crosses 580, I may enter into it. Let's see what's happening. So even super trend has given a signal here also. Okay, here I can see that ADX is pretty strong, so there could be an entry here as well. Siemens, let's look into Siemens, what's happening in Siemens. So Siemens, I don't find, there's confusion out here, and this is also heading down, but let's see. KSCL. So let's see, look into this. See, this is beautifully heading up, right? It's beautifully heading up. 200 shares, and it's giving you 0.4% return as of now, right? So I mean, you can make this 2000, and this if you make this as 2000, your profit will be 5030. But that is only after you gain confidence. Once you are confident, then only you will do that. All right, so this was my morning trade in Biocon. The rule is, when it opens gap down, you have to buy it, right? That's what I did. I bought it with whatever price I got it. And now we have to do an intraday trading, and I have identified Glenmark. To me, Glenmark is looking very, very nice. So see, beautiful head up, right? Beautiful head up. And it's a decent profit that one gets, into trading Biocon almost every day. So let's see if I could see Glenmark is one I have identified, and also I was looking at VEDL. So we'll do one thing. We'll first look into what's happening in Nifty, right? Let's look into Nifty, what is happening in Nifty. If Nifty is looking positive, then only we will go for a buy, right? So this is Nifty, right? Nifty right now, what time is this? 9:21. Just 5 minutes have passed after the market has opened up. So I'm looking for an opportunity to enter into a stock, right? To me, VEDL looks pretty fine. I do plan to enter into VEDL, although RSI is little low right now. But I definitely feel Glenmark is another promising candidate, right? Glenmark is another promising candidate that I could feel. This is also looking fine to me. Strides, but here the ADX is down. So let's see Cipla. If I could get Cipla. So, the market definitely looks positive to me, and this is Biocon trade which is going on, which sounds pretty positive right now. And uh, let it be. Like, we don't need to look into it. But see, I don't want to. Uh, I've done it for you guys. I usually don't prefer to do intraday trades, so I may exit it soon, right? I may exit it soon. So see, if you go back and check on Zerodha, how much money you need for bracket order. Just go here, and if you put here equity, yeah, equity, and I want to check for Biocon, and I want to trade into 200 shares, right? And I want to buy, yeah, whatever, sell. Stop loss for me is going to be Biocon prices right now. That time was 610. The stop loss is going to be 600 for me, 10 points. And calculate how much money you need. Only, margin required is only 6,000 rupees roughly, right? And see the profit percentage is pretty decent profit, right? So master it every day. That means if you have 60,000 rupees, if you have 60,000 rupees, you can trade in 2,000 shares, and this money will also become 10 times more, right? Your money will also become 10 times more. So this is how one can trade into. This is one intraday trade you can do every day. There will be days when your stop loss will be hit, and there are days when you will get a load of. See, stop loss is limited to 10 points, whereas profit is unlimited. You get huge profits, right? So always work on probabilities. This is 5 minutes graph. Let me make it 15 minutes graph. This is 5 minutes graph, right? Because I want to now exit. I have little profit and I want to book it, right? So I'm just going to see 5 minutes. How is it struggling? Is it struggling to go up? It's having a downtrend. If it is heading down, then I will exit. If it is heading up, then I'm not going to look at it further. Fine. So as of now, it's looking pretty decent to me. Let's go here and see what's happening in Cipla. So Cipla is looking fine to me. Cipla is looking fine to me. It could be a probable entry, right? Let me just see if I could further see here. Okay, so the just dial has come on the top now, right? When I refreshed it, just dial has come on the top, right? So look at this ADX, look at this. So I'll wait for the first 15-minute candle to form, and then I will enter into it. Even Cipla looks pretty decent to me. Star Sashun looks good to me, right? PCJ, let's see how's PCJ. So let's see how it looks. So star session can be one probable entry, right? Let's go back here and see what's happening in star session. Star. This is star, right? So we can wait for its morning range to break out, right? Or we can enter even right now, right? This is star session. One can enter if one wants to. So let me just put star, simply star. And here, because I want to trade in equity, right? This is its morning high. Let me mark the morning high. And then I'm going to create trade in it, right? This is the morning high. So I'm waiting, so what I'll do, I want to book my profit in Biocon and lock it, and so that I can concentrate on the next trades, right? So that's what I plan, because otherwise I'll be, I need to monitor it. So this is, I want to show you how you can use Biocon strategy, or even you can forget, because your stop loss will keep on moving up. Let me show you how. So when I started, you will see gradually this stop loss will keep moving up. Okay, as your target will keep coming, your target will also keep moving up. So let me just um, hold it for a while, and we'll come back again. So we are back now. I do plan to, lock this profit, and it was just a trade that I wanted to show you guys that how it is always profitable, right? So I will just close this trade. I will book my profit and close this trade, but you can leave it on for till about 3:15, right? And if you feel sometime the market has peaked and market is correcting, you can exit your trade as well. Fine. But otherwise just leave it till about 3:15. Let the stock go, do its own, take its own course, and forget about it. You will, every day you can mint money from this. All right, with this I'm closing this video. You have seen this is in profits, and right now also it's looking to me heading up, right? Right now also it's looking to me heading up. So I'm not exiting right now, but I'm closing with profits, and I'll be recording another video for live trading. Bye bye, take care.